Okay, I've got an interesting one this week. It's a Cherokee fermented corn drink, ganohena, which I use in cornbread. You can also use it straight as a drink. Let's get to work. So I've got about a cup of masa and probably a half a gallon or so of water. Mix that all up and I'm heating it up on the stove. Bring that to a boil and then I'll reduce it to a simmer. And I'll cook that for about an hour, stirring occasionally so it doesn't stick or burn. And this will get nice and thick. Then I'll just pour this in my container, cover it with some cheesecloth or some cotton cloth so it can breathe, and ferment that in a nice warm place. I went a couple of weeks with this, and you can either strain it and just use the liquid, or you can leave it a little bit chunky and use it that way. I prefer to leave everything in and use it. And I really, instead of using this as a drink, I like to use this for cornbread, corn muffins, corn pancakes. It gives an awesome flavor. And there we go, up on the fridge, and I'll just give that a couple of stirs every once in a while until it's ready to use. So there you are, there's the fermented corn drink. As I said, I use that in a cornbread. I usually substitute I take out about a quarter cup of liquid and a quarter cup of the cornmeal, and then I add some of the fermented corn drink. So I hope you give that one a try. Until next time, thanks for watching.